Hi Drawset Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a purse filled with flowers to celebrate Mother's Day. So let's get started. To draw this sweet drawing for Mom, let's first start by drawing the top of the purse. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. So this is the top corner and I'm going to go right across. So we're going to aim to draw a straight line right across. Let's say about that wide. And then I'm going to bring it down just like the other side and round it off. There. Then from there I'm going to bring this down at a slight angle. So I'm just drawing a very basic small little purse and bring it down at an angle about right there. And here, now that we're pretty even, I'm going to go ahead and round off the bottom right here, the corner, a little bit bigger, curve, and same thing here, and connect at the bottom with a straight line, right across. Okay, so I like to look at my camera, make sure I'm going straight. Okay, so then there, we have the basic shape for our purse. Then let's come back up here. And in this area, we're going to fill it with some tissue, right? Because we need to put flowers in it. So let's come right here. I'm going to pop out an angle. And then I'm just going to zigzag across. So I'll just come, say 3 zigzags. I'll bring this down, up, down. It really doesn't matter. However you like to put it. We're just going to put some tissue paper in here. And hopefully that looks like tissue paper. Round it off a bit so it's not so harsh. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the flowers, and it's all up to you, but I really hope this inspires you. I'm just going to draw 3 main ones. So just pop them in here, some higher and some lower, and then just put the stems back in. So I'll start right here, and I'll just start with a circle for your basic flower, and I'm just going to go all the way around, drawing these big petals. Oops, no. Can I fit one more? 2. Okay, there. And I'll come in here. Draw little lines right on each petal. And let's see, let's draw a big one like about in this area. So right next to it, I'll say about right here. Draw a curve. So this is my bottom. Come in here with some detail. And then I'll come out. And out. So it's going to be these big 3 petals. So 1, 2, and 3. And then in the back right here, pop in 2 more. There. And let's pop one in about this area right here going this way. So once again, I'll do the same thing but right here. Three, and then I'm going to change this one up a little bit. So it'll be 1, and then another one right here. And then the center, let's just draw some random curves right here in the center. And then a big, well, maybe 2. Actually, let's just do 2 then. 2 petals in the back. There. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and put all the stems in, right? So let's come right here. Wherever your flower is, I'm going to curve this one in. So if you don't want this to be a purse, you can make it whatever you want it, right? You could be, let's see here, maybe make this one go this way. Could be a vase, a jar, however you want it. And then I'm just going to fill in this area with a bunch of circles, kind of like little clovers here and there. So some a little bit bigger, just to fill up the space. Or you can definitely draw different flowers, more flowers. I'm just trying to simplify it. Okay, so maybe like that many, and I'll come in here. And once again, just like the flowers, draw in these stems. And same thing here. There. Okay. I think that's enough for now, right? Okay, so then from there, let's bring this purse to, well, you know what? Actually, we need to draw the handle first. So I'll say about right here, and I'm just going to give myself a point so it's pretty even. I'm going to go ahead from those 2 points and draw a really wide U for my handle. I'll thicken it up. And then let's put a circle around this and then bring this in and close it up. So circle around it and then bring this up and close it up. There, so hopefully that looks like a handle. And let's put a heart right in the center to decorate our purse, of course. That's the brand, it's the Draw So Cute brand. There. Okay, so that would be pretty much it. So if you wanted to make this extra cute and put some eyes on it, let's come right underneath the handles in this area, right here. Oops, and draw my wobbly circle. Come right across and do the same thing. Okay, so now that my 2 wobbly circles in, let's come inside with 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that we have the eyes in, let's come over here and draw a small curve over each eye. And let's put a sweet smile right in between. And curve it up and cap it off. There. Okay, and if you like, I thought we could add even more to this. So let's say, because it's for mom, we need to make it extra sweet, right? So about right here and here, I'll go ahead and draw my usual hands that come together to create a heart. So just draw a curve all the way across, and about right here, put in the hands. And thicken it up. And that is pretty much it for this drawing of this cute little purse filled with flowers for mom or for anyone you want to give this to. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, and you know what? Oh my goodness. I forgot. Let's draw a butterfly right here. I can't believe it. Okay, so really quickly in this area, I'm like, why is this part so empty, right? Let's draw this rounded off rectangle. And very simply just draw these 2 curves on both sides. Very simple little butterfly. And the antenna, loop it. And that is pretty much it. Okay, and now we're finally done. So I really hope I inspired you and I made this fun and easy for you to draw. And remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.